Top 3 reasons to change your air filter for your oil or gas furnace. Number 1, your energy bills are going up. The reason why is because you have a restricted airflow problem. What does that mean? That means your air filter is clogged, dirty, creating a restriction. There's no airflow, so the unit just gotta work harder and harder. So as it works harder, what does that mean? The bills are gonna go up. Number 2, your heat isn't efficient. What does that mean? That means you're fucking freezing and you're not getting enough heat at the end of your run. What I mean by the end of the run is at the end of the ductwork, air takes the path of least resistance. So it's easier to get air here because it's closer to the unit than it is 50 feet, 20 feet, or whatever it is at the end of that run, or the end of that duct, I should say. And then you're gonna feel little to no air. You ever think of a long hose like 50 foot long and you have a lot of water pressure in the beginning, and at the end you have very little pressure of water? Same concept. Why? Why? Because again, we're talking about airflow. There's not enough air going through or passing through the filter because it's restricted, because it's dirty, it's clogged, has mierda, has dog hair, cunt hair, whatever the fuck you want to call it, but it's causing a restriction. So at the end of your run, you're gonna be complaining, well, it made a little bit more, we have some heat over here, but at the end of the run, you're gonna be like, whoa, what's going on here? There's no airflow, so that's very little heat, or if not, no heat. So we don't want that to happen, especially in the middle of a cold day. And last but not least, which I think is the most important one, is CO, meaning carbon monoxide leaks. We do not want carbon monoxide leaking, especially into your home or apartment. It's very dangerous. It's not something to fuck around with. You have CO lingering in your ducts. So think about it. It's lingering in your ducts, you have a restriction, so you're just backing up to your system and it's just sitting there. How do you know there might be a potential carbon monoxide leak in your home? Are the family members living in your home, including yourself, experiencing these symptoms? Meaning fatigue, nausea, vomiting. I just recently covered a story in Brooklyn, New York about a family that just got exposed to carbon monoxide poisoning. Click on the link above and watch the video. And guys, this may be something that may save your ass and save your family tomorrow. Without that said, whip out.